According to National Library of Medicine 2023, the musculoskeletal system is the biggest human organ system, comprising bones, providing support, articular cartilage, allowing joints to slide, ligaments and tendons, connecting all the bones together, and the muscles with associated nerves and blood vessels, permitting them to contract and allowing the movement of the human body, which in turn underlies the basis of life. There are several functions of the musculoskeletal system. First, provide structural support for the body. Second, protecting vital internal organs. Third, produce blood cells in the bone marrow. Fourth, enables mechanical movement. Fifth, storing mineral reserve. And the last one is promotes good posture and balance.
Bone. Bone is a unit type of mineral-rich connective tissues that can support and protect soft tissues, contain bone marrow, and allow movement. Although bone may appear to be static structure, it is a highly active organ that is constantly changing throughout life. 1. Structural support. To span whole or body up when sitting or standing. 2. Protection of internal organs and soft tissues from damage, like the brain, heart, and lungs. 3. Locomotion. Help the body move and change location. 4. Mineral storage. Store calcium to keep bones strong. If the body lacks calcium, take it from the bones. 5. Blood cell production. A factory that produces new blood cells. 6. Endocrine regulation. Help regulation hormones and body metabolism.
Bone structure. First, compact bone is the hard and strong outer layer of the bone. It supports and protects the body. Second, spongy bone is the softer inner part with small space inside. It helps make bone lighter. And last, bone marrow is found inside the bone and produce blood cells. Joints definition and function. A joint is the place where two or more bones meet in the body, or where the adjacent bone surface connects, allowing movement, providing stability. A joint has two main functions, namely allowing movement between bones and providing stability to the skeletal framework.
Next, I will explain about cartilage.
A. Fibrous joint. Fibrous joints are joints in which the adjacent bones are directly connected by fibrous connective tissue, so they do not have a joint cavity. The space between the bones may be narrow or wide depending on the type. There are three types of fibrous joints, namely sutures, sydemosis, and gymphosis. Examples include sutures between the bones of the skull, syndesmosis between the radius and ulna in the forearms, and between the tibia and fibula in the leg, and gymphosis between the roof of the tooth and this socket in the
Framework.
Next, I will explain about cartilaginous joint. Cartilaginous joint are the joint where the adjacent bones are connected by cartilage, which is a strong but flexible connective tissue. These joints also do not have a joint cavity. They are divided into two types, namely chondrosis, where bones are connected by hyaline cartilage, and symphysis, where bones are connected by fibrocartilage. Examples include a cortochondral joint between the rib and chondral cartilage, intervertebral joint between the vertebrae, and the pubis symphysis. Next, I will explain about synovial joints. Synovial joints are the most common type of joint in the body. These joints contain joint cavity filled with synovial fluid. Synovial joints allow smooth and freely movable motion. Examples include the knee joint, elbow joint, shoulder joint, hip joint, and ankle joint. These joints help the body move easily and flexible.
The muscle. Definition of muscle is the one of the four primary tissues type of the body, and the body contains three types of the muscle tissues: skeletal muscle, cardiac muscle, and smooth muscle. Muscle in the body are skeletal muscle, cardiac muscle, and smooth muscle. Skeletal muscle, the most common muscle types in the body, attached to bone by tendons. Function are produce body movement and maintains posture, store glycogen and protein for energy, generate heat during shivering. Cardiac muscle or myocardium, found only in the heart and works automatically. Function are pumps blood throughout the body, creates its own electrical impulses to keep the heartbeat regular. And smooth muscle, located in the walls, internal organs, and blood vessels. Function are move substances through organs, control blood vessel diameter and blood pressure, and allow organs like the bladder and uterus to stretch and return to normal shape. Some common musculoskeletal disorders and injuries are sprain, strain, osteoporosis, tendinitis. Sprain, ligament injury, strain or tear of the connective tissue between bones. Strain, muscle or tendon injury due to overuse of the motor fibers. Osteoporosis, a condition where bones become weak and fragile due to low bone density. Tendinitis, inflammation of the tendon caused by overuse or injury.